Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to change the scroll direction in a document using the Journal app. Just open the app and choose a document you would like to work with. Click on one of its pages and then go to the three dots in the top right corner where you can find this scroll direction option. Click on it and now you can see that horizontal scroll is ticked, but I need vertical scroll, so I click on it and now I can use it this way. If we go back and change it again, then it's horizontal again. That's basically it. I hope it helps.